In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix App Store billing problem on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your settings, then click on your Apple ID. Now navigate to the option Payment and Shipping. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple account's password if prompted. Carefully review your payment method and make sure your card number, expiration date, security code, billing address, and cardholder name all are correct. If a payment method has expired or contains incorrect information, update it and save the changes. If necessary, remove the existing payment method and add it again, or try using a different supported debit or credit card. Next, check whether you have any unpaid purchases or subscription. Go to Settings, click on your name. Click on Media and Purchases. Select View Account. If Apple shows an outstanding balance, you will need to pay it before you can make new purchases or download certain apps. Once the balance has been cleared, wait a few minutes and try again. You should also make sure your Apple account country or region matches your payment method. For that, navigate to this option. Country or region. Verify that the selected country matches the billing address for your payment method. A mismatch can prevent Apple from processing payment successfully. If the billing issue continues, restart your iPhone and ensure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Then check for any available iOS updates by going to Settings, General, Software Update, as installing the latest version of iOS can resolve App Store and payment related bugs. Finally, if you have tried all these steps and you are still experiencing the billing problem, contact Apple support. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.